Hello. So I am at the what is this Superfractor Card Show. This is the first ever international card show and everything. I am here just for today. This is their second day. Their first day was yesterday, Friday, and yeah, I'm just looking around, looking for cards as well. So yeah, let's just bring you in. There's quite a number of booths, so you have a lot of vendors over here. On the left side is the cards, and then on the right side is more on the money notes over there. So they also have CGC here for you to grade your cards as well. It's center? It's not center. Yeah. So if you can see, there's a lot of people. So maybe I am not going to do like a walkthrough, but I will just stop by, film and everything. Okay. Shoot. They have evolution stuff. I don't know if I want to buy or not. I don't think I will be buying. Look at this. So basically, if I just register the app,
Yeah, you register the app, hot copy, and you can have either one of our on-screen Pokemon pack or Daka Soccer promo pack.
this one is the.
This one is card.
soccer.
Yeah, these cards
Okay.
can be pulled out from here. Everything is numbered to 24 or 1 of 1. So you got a big chance to pull out 1 of 1 in this pack. So yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Canada. Yeah, based in Shanghai. Yeah.
Okay. So it's either the Pokemon or the soccer.
The soccer pack. Yeah.
Okay. Let me just register first. I am currently installing the app. Registration done.
我们在下个月在 Macau 会有一个
Okay, done registration.
You can have one from here and one from here.
So,
Okay.
so either one is it?
Yeah.
I think I'll get this one,
Soccer pack.
and
Yeah. Which
I'll
one?
get.
Good luck, man.
Maybe I'll just open it here.
Yeah, of course.
Let's see how. Okay.
See. I have a one of one coming. Take it easy. Nice and easy.
This one is it here? Oh, Lamin Yamal. Nice. Okay, thank you.
Best player in this set. Best player.
Nice guy.
Thank you.
The rookie?
Not rookie. No, it's not rookie level.
Rookie.
It's rookie year, right?
He's a rookie.
Yeah, he's the new
他没
key.
打没有，对。
Let me help you.
Ah, sure. Never had to sleep.
Congrats, man.
Thanks. Lucky I picked the one on the below. Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. That's nice.
Very nice ball. Very nice ball.
Thank you.
Can I take a picture for you?
Yeah, sure. I got Lamin Yamal here from that pack, so I am quite lucky to get one of the best player currently. He is rising up, so in the future we will see his progress and everything. Yeah. Okay, I see Evolving Skies and the per pack is like 66 ringgit. Ooh. Oh, I don't eat eggs.
Oh, don't have. I sold this just now.
Almost both already sold this.
Yeah, sold
already.
this just now.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
That Ambion and Espion sleeve is nice, but it is 289. I don't have that much spare of money. Mm, this is one piece. This is also so there's another blind box over here. This one is 119. So it's just like 3 modern packs, 1 custom, and 1 card. Okay. And they also have this display frame, which is 99 ringgit. And a lot of other Pokemon cards as well. Oh well. This one is how much?
8 ringgit.
Oh, okay, 8 ringgit. I
But then
didn't
got
see.
10% off.
This one is 25.
Yes.
Okay. So they have Lokana packs here as well. This is quite a rare find. Your set, one piece and
One Piece, Digimon, and Yu-Gi-Oh.
And over here we have all the DRC cards on display. This is for home cards and comics. Yeah. So what do we have? History box, masuk after box cards. We have KSA over here. So these are all the prices. Okay, that's good to know. We have a booth over here as well. I've like a page just
Ni ambil 3 dulu kan?
to spin and to get any free gift. So I will spin later and wish me luck. Dia pusing sini eh?
This way, this way.
This way. Clockwise. I love football 3.
Oh, lama yang tu dekat luar. The price is 14.90 tau. Yang ni cepat habis dekat luar 14 tomorrow I tak ada.
14.9.
Dia dah free gift.
Okay. 3.
This one
Okay.
This one almost finishing already.
Okay, I just gotten the goodie bag from the Hoopy app, from downloading the Hoopy app, and I see OP08 pack, so that's good. Free OP08 packs, and yeah, basically I'm just collecting free stuff right now. I am not buying at all. Okay, quick unpacking. SR. We got SR hit. That's good. I think I forgot to show you guys this. This one is on CGC pricing. So they are here as well. Okay. Hello. I didn't bring any cards for grading because yeah. So from the Hoopy booth just now, I got OP08 pack and also there's one mystery pack over here. So let's just open it. Basically I've already opened the OP08 and now I just saw this mystery pack and I am going to open it. Let's go. I will put you guys here. I don't know what it is. Okay. Cash voucher 10%. Video, reverse, feedback. Basically just normal cards. And bunch of online QR if you guys want. So I was curious people were collecting stickers for the book, but I checked at the registration counter. If you complete all the stickers, it is just one free pack. Not worth the trouble for me, so I am not going to do it. But there is still a lot of people at the card area, so the card area is the most popular. I didn't even go to the money collecting side, so because it's not my thing as well, so why waste my time, right? But overall this event is pretty much what it is, a card show, and for all those looking for singles and everything. I'm surprised it is a free entry, which is good, but if you want to come in early, you will need to pay 100. So you pay 100 ringgit and you get to come in 1 hour earlier, which is a good. So people who really wants to find the cards, they will need to pay just to get a head start. So they say 3 for 900 semi-mystery pack. Okay, so I'm done with the event. I'm already outside. It is now raining. I'm stuck in the car right now. So basically, the event is great to me because this is my first time going to a card event, and everything's, even though it's crowded, the atmosphere is very, very, very nice. And yeah, plus is I got to see all the cards, not just Pokemon's, One Piece, that the one that I collect, but also other cards like the football cards, the baseball, the basketball, others and everything. So it is a good event as well. I think in future I will try to go again if there is any event like this, because I went to this event with no cash in hand. So next time I might be bringing more cash. Yeah, I think that is all for this video. So if you enjoy the video, hit the like button. If you enjoy my content, hit the subscribe button, and until the next video, bye.